So what you can also do is get mathematical solutions using Qwen. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and see what is the conversion of, let's say, for example, decimal number in hexadecimal, let's say, for example. So now you can give it a mathematical problem like that, and then what happens is that it'll run through all of the process right here and gives you the steps right here on what you have to do, as you can see. And it solves the mathematical problems right here, just like this. So you can see that step by step, it is solving out the problem and dividing everything by 16, calculating the remainders right here, just like this, so that it can go ahead and give you the results. Then you can see that this is the hexadecimal number that it gave and said that this is the final answer. And this is how you can go ahead and then generate out mathematical solutions as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.